Where was the rich man going? On a long journey. How many servants were there? 3. How many gold coins did the rich man give to the second servant? 2,000. What did the third servant do with his gold coins? Dug a hole and hid them in the ground. How long was the rich man gone for? A long time. How many gold coins did the first servant make? 5,000 more. What did the rich man say to the first servant when he returned? Well done, you good and faithful servant. What else did the rich man say? Come on in and share my happiness. How did the rich man feel when he spoke to the third servant? It made him feel very angry. Jesus told many parables, but what is a parable? A simple story to help us understand something.